Okay, so we're going to have a go at this problem here. This problem looks very different to anything that we've seen, but obviously if I'm giving you the problem, I've given you enough information for you to maybe do some problem solving. When it comes to an IB examination, you're going to be given questions on the exam you've never seen before. They require you to apply the concepts you have seen before, to apply the theorems you have seen before, and to use your skills that you've developed in order to solve that problem solving. You will get this type. On this course, you'll get the same as well, as we practice. So what we need to do is we need to apply what it is that we know, and then see if we can come to a solution. So what this lesson is about, it's about this theorem that we've got here. So I'm going to take this here. I'm going to take this sentence here. I'm going to write it up. Firstly, I'm going to ask you to forget the letters F, G, and H here. These F, G, and H's are not the same as the F, G, and H's in that formula. So don't try and connect them. Just because they're given the same letter doesn't mean they're the same thing. So going back to that theorem, we have got f of x. We've got f of x is equal to g of x times q of x plus r of x. This was our formula. Now this formula doesn't look like this expression up here. It doesn't look like this expression up here. Why not? Well, we've got something in the denominator here, haven't we? And even the left-hand side is an f of x, whereas there it's going to be this, g of x over h of x. So what we can do is if you take this, what happens if I divide this through by g of x? If I divide through by g of x, I will get f of x over g of x is equal to q of x plus r of x over g of x. So when you divide something through, you divide the other terms and it will cancel there. So if I just divide through, take a minute to think, to understand that.
Why is it true about
All the letters are wrong, ignore the letters for now. Look at the shape. Look at the shape and the position. Okay, so what the question, so that is one set you have in there. So these letters are different to the ones I'm going to write here. So now I'm working on the question. So this question says, so don't match your g's and things. This question, g of x over h of x, that is equal to this, 2x squared minus x plus 1 over x plus 2. Okay. So look at the shape and form of this and the shape and form of that. What is the remainder? One. What was the divisor? X plus 2. X plus 2. So this term here has an x plus 2, and then it has a g of x on top, is equal to 2x squared minus x, bracket, plus 1 over x plus 2. Like this, isn't it? Now all we found the h from the question. We found the function h from the question. We can see what h of x is. We want to find out what g of x is. How can I get g of x on its own? Multiply everything by x plus 2. So if I multiply through by x plus 2, here it will cancel, here it will cancel, and here it won't. So we will get g of x, therefore, is equal to 2x squared minus x, bracket x plus 2, plus 1. This is g of x. We're going to have to expand and simplify. We're going to have to expand and simplify to give a correct answer. So 2x squared times x would give 2x cubed. 2x squared times 2, 4x squared, minus x times x, minus x squared, minus x times 2, minus 2x, plus 1, collect together the like term, and we've got 2x cubed, plus 3x squared, minus 2x, plus 1. So, we have, just answer it here, g of x is this, h of x is x plus 2. We have solved the problem. Okay, that is, should we just pause this and finish that?